Hey, what's up? It's Padee and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this holiday look. I'm so excited, especially because this video is in collaboration with another YouTuber. So her name is Tsering and I met her through Instagram DM. She's super sweet. She has beauty content, fashion content, and she also does some fitness as well. So make sure to go check her video out. She will also be doing a holiday inspired look. So if you want to see another way to get glam for the holidays, make sure to go watch her video and subscribe to her channel and follow her on her socials as well. I will leave everything and all of her information in the description box for you down below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. Give this video a thumbs up if you are loving this holiday look or if you're just excited for the holidays. And let's begin. I have already done my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Granite. And to prime my eyes, I am using my MAC Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Paint Pot. I just find that this works really well and it helps my eyeshadows stay on all day. So I'm going to be using my Real Techniques brush to apply this. So the first shade that I will be applying is from the Natasha Denona Sunset Palette, and it is this red shade Panjin. I'll be using my Sigma E25 blending brush to pack this onto my lids. So I'm going to apply this kind of just all over and then blending it up into the crease area. So now I'm going to use my Sigma Beauty tapered blending brush, the E40, to just blend that red shade into the crease area. So first I'm going to go in with no product. And then after that, I'm going to take the pink shade from the Sunset palette. This is in the shade Bermuda. And then I'm going to use that to help blend in that shade into the crease. So now I'm going to apply some red glitter. This is from NYX Cosmetics. And then I'm going to use my Too Faced glitter glue to apply the glitter onto the lid area. And while that glue is still tacky, I'm going to use the Sigma Crease Shader Brush, the E46, to pack that glitter onto the lid. So now I'm going to apply some eyeliner. This is the Rimmel Exaggerate eyeliner, and I am going to wing it out today. So now I'm going to use some concealer, and this is the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Custard. And I'm going to use my Sigma Small Angled Brush, the E65, to just kind of carve out the wing. So this makes the wing look super sharp and defined, and it helps fix the mistake and the sloppiness of the wings. So I'm back with my skincare all on, but to add some extra glow, I'm going to apply my Farsali Unicorn Essence, and this just makes me look really hydrated and dewy, so I like applying this before makeup. Today I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Instant Retouch Primer. This is about 2 pumps. I'm going to focus it on the cheek area because that's kind of where I have the most pores, and then on the nose area as well, and then just kind of blend it everywhere else. For foundation, today I'm going to be applying my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Warm Nude. I really like this one for the winter because it's hydrating, but it's also full coverage. So I'm going to be using my Sonia Kashuk makeup sponge to blend the foundation onto my skin. And to add some more coverage, I'm going to be applying my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium. I'm going to be applying this under the eyes, on the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, around the mouth area, my chin, and my forehead. I'm going to use my Real Techniques blending brush to kind of disperse the color and apply it evenly all over the face. And then I'm going to use my makeup sponge to just blend it out. So now it is time to set the face, and I'm going to be using the Rcma No Color Powder. And to set my foundation, I'm going to be using my Sigma Beauty tapered face brush, the F25. To contour, I'm going to be using my Nars Laguna bronzer, and I'm going to use the F23 from Sigma, the soft angled contour brush, to chisel out those cheekbones. And I'm going to take my small tapered blending brush, the E45 from Sigma, and I'm going to contour my nose with this. The blush that I'm going to be applying is the Sigma Beauty Corte Rosa Aura Powder, and I'm going to use my Sigma Beauty Powder Blush Brush, the F10, to apply it. I'm going to take more of that No Color Powder, and I'm going to bake under that contour line here to really sharpen up that contour. And now I'm going to be applying my Ofra highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive. I love this one. And I'm going to use my Sigma Beauty strobing fan, the F42, to apply it. Now I'm going to dust off the excess powder. So I'm going to bring you guys back in closer so I can finish up the eyes. Welcome back to my pores. Did you guys miss me? So, of course, I'm going to be using the Sigma Viper palette. I mean, it's Christmas. There's a perfect green shade in here. So we're going in with this green shade called Malevolent, and we're going to apply that on the lower lash line. And I'm going to be using my Sigma Beauty short shader brush, the F20, to apply this shade. So now I'm going back to my Natasha Denona Sunset palette, and I'm going to apply this shade Ice Gold using my pencil brush from Sigma, the E30. And I'm going to apply this to my inner corners and my brow bone to highlight. To make my eyes pop, I'm going to apply my Rimmel London Scandal Eyes Kohl Kajal in the shade Nude to the waterline. And now I'm going to apply some mascara. This is the Lancome Monsieur Big. And of course, for the holidays, I have to incorporate a red lip. So this one right here is the Sigma Beauty Liquid Lip in the shade Venom. So now I'm going to set my entire face of makeup using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And I always do brow gel last, so we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. because I have very short lashes and they just pretty much stick downwards, I am going to be applying my Luxie lashes in this style West Side, and I'll be using my House of Lashes lash glue to apply them. I also want to mention that, like, for some odd reason when I woke up today, this eye was watery, so crossing my fingers, and I really hope that the lash glue and the lashes will just kind of stay on my eyes, at least for this video and for the pictures. I can feel my eye kind of crying on the corner, but we're just going to try to do mind over matter. I am not crying. Everything's gonna be okay. So that completes this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this video is in collaboration with Tsering, and she has an amazing YouTube channel and Insta feed. So make sure to go subscribe to her channel and follow her on Insta. I will leave all of that information down in the description box down below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked this holiday look and you would like to see more glam looks. And in the comments below, I would love to know what you guys thought about this look. If you guys would like to see a more wearable holiday look, let me know and I will definitely film one. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you again so much for watching, and as always, have a beautiful day. Bye!